Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create wedding registry using Prezola. Prezola is the UK's favorite wedding gift list, as you can see right here. All we'll need to do is go onto prezola.com. Then from there, you can tap on Start Your List. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page on which you can sign up for completely free using your email address. After signing up, you'll be redirected to a page like this, and you can put in your partner's first and last name. So I can put that in right here. Then you're going to put in the date that you would like to keep your wedding on. So let's say, for example, I'll be keeping it next year. Then you can add in the number of guests, and this is an optional option. Then you can add in the amount of guesses if you want. And also right here, you'll see the option, what are you planning to add to your list, whether that be gifts and cash, gifts only, cash only, or you're not sure. I'll be selecting gifts and cash. Then we're going to tap on complete registration. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can select whichever one of these items you would like to add to your registry. And this is one of the standout features when it comes onto Prezola, as you can add a mixture of items. So for example, you can add gift vouchers, you can add physical products, and you can also add cash. So I'm just going to be adding some random items. Let's say this. So you can see it right there. After you have added the items that you would like, you're going to tap on your dashboard in the bottom right hand corner. After selecting your dashboard, you can see how our dashboard looks at the moment. Now all you need to do, you can tap on your list. After tapping on your list, from there you can add more items if you want, and you can see the items that are currently on our list. To add more gifts, you'll tap on add more gifts at the bottom of the page. After doing that, you can select from different categories, or you can scroll down and you can select from the suggested. Now we're going to go back. After going back, if you would like to add gifts for example, travel or so on, you can select lifestyle. You can also hover over travel experience. And for example, let's say we were to select travel accessories. After selecting travel accessories, you can see different things that you can add. So let's say we were to add this wine tumbler, we can tap on add to list. You can add numerous options. You can hover over travel and experiences. You can hover over funds. Then you could select cash contributions, and you can scroll down and you can select from whichever one of these options. Let's say we were to add $50 to our list, or you could create your own by tapping on create a fund. If you would like to also tap on inspirations, you'll see different inspirations that you can choose from. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on list in the top. Then you're going to tap on publish right there, publish your list. After selecting publish your list, you'll fill in your contact number and your delivery address right there. Then you'll tap on publish your list and you'll be able to share it. Or you can tap on enter the address manually, and you can enter in your address right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.